This is Gibson Hawk GA-25RVT. It's been restored. Everything is working on it well. There's no issues. Here's a quick sound demo. So I just got a Telecaster. This is a normal channel. Got the controls all about halfway, volumes about 10 o'clock. Bridge pickup. Here's the neck. Volume's about 1 o'clock. It's clean pretty much all the way up to maximum volume on both channels. This is the reverb and vibrato tremolo channel. Here's the tremolo. Minimum speed. Nearly maximum speed. And here's the reverb. It's not as full on as Fender stuff, but it's present. Tank in there is new as well. Let's just hear it real quick with some humbuckers, a Les Paul kind of guitar. Tokai gold top, Japanese one. Hopefully that gives you an idea. Best to hear it in person though.